Welcome again, students. So in this session we will see how your foreign key will work. Now here you can see I have prepared two tables, which is parent table and child table. So in the parent table I am taking the department number as a primary key. Okay, और यही प्राइमरी की आपके चाइल्ड टेबल में एक ऑर्डिनरी की का काम कर रहा है. So in that case we can say the department number is going to play a role of your foreign key. Okay, तो इसे होगा क्या कि these two tables will get connected with each other by the foreign key, with the help of foreign key. Now if I am deleting any of the record from this parent table, then automatically क्या होना चाहिए, तो those rows which are related with the department number, no, तो यहाँ से वो डिलीट होने चाहिए और उसके लिए हम ऑन डिलीट कैस्केड यूज़ करने वाले हैं. तो ये सब एग्जैक्टली होता कैसे है, दैट विल सी प्रैक्टिकली. सो हियर यू कैन सी in my databases these are the different tables, but to implement foreign key I will prepare two tables, that is child table and parent table separately. तो पहले हम parent table यहाँ पे create कर लेते हैं. So I'll write the syntax for this: create table, or let us say कि parent table I am using the word the table name. I am taking the table name for parent table is a department, and in this I'll take the attributes like your department number, which is of integer type, and let's take its size is 3. Now यहाँ पे मुझे क्या करना है कि I need to assign this department number as a primary key. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ आप primary key लिख दो तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो primary key का रोल प्ले कर लेगी. After that I'm going to take one more attribute, that is the department name. Okay, that will be varchar, and I'll take the size of varchar department name 10, and the one more attribute that I want, which is a location and varchar. Okay, so with this I'll just close this bracket and put the semicolon. So here you can find your table has been successfully created. Okay, even you can see the description of the table with the help of describe command. So describe department, and here you can see the department number we have assigned as a primary key in the department table. Now we will move to the next part, that is implementation of foreign key, and along with that we will create the child table too. So I'll write the command for this: create table, and child table में हम यहाँ पे EMP, that is employee table यहाँ पे create कर रहे हैं. In this I'll take the employee ID as the first attribute, which is of integer type, size 3, and even I'll making this employee ID as a primary key in employee table. Okay, again remember, employee ID is not going to play the role of your foreign key. Foreign key will be a department number only, because it is the primary key of your parent table. Okay, all right. Now the second attribute here I am taking as a employee name, which is of varchar type, and I'll mention the size 15. Then we'll take one more attribute, that is the salary. Okay, integer type, you can put any digits data, 5 to 6 digit data you can mention here. And then I will take the last attribute of your child table, which is department number. Okay, again which is of integer type, and the size is 3. तो ये सब करने के बाद अब मुझे यहाँ पे ना इस पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट नंबर को फॉरेन की असाइन करना है. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट दैट कॉमा, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन राइट foreign key, and inside the bracket you can mention which attribute is your foreign key. So here in this case the department number is going to play a role of foreign key, so I have written foreign key inside the bracket department number, and after that we need to write one more thing, that is references. ये किसको reference कर रहा है? So it references to which one? The department table, और department table में से किसको? So that attribute which is again department number. So this way your foreign key will come into the picture or existence. Now if I wanted to maintain the dependency, if I delete any of the record from the department table, that is parent table, no, automatically उसका effect या फिर reflection child table पे होना चाहिए. So for that I am writing on delete cascade. Okay, please understand this one, because if I am deleting any record from the parent table, automatically जो भी उस particular फॉरेन की से रिलेटेड जो एंट्रीज आपके चाइल्ड टेबल में ना हो वहाँ पे वो डिलीट हो जाएंगे. सो आई विल राइट द सेमीकोलन. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द सिंटैक्स फॉर द योर चाइल्ड टेबल अगेन. सो क्रिएट टेबल नेम, देन फर्स्ट एट्रीब्यूट, मेक इट प्राइमरी key or not, again it is optional. I think we need to write a primary key over here. Let's make it correct. So primary key. Then after that the second attribute employee name, third attribute salary. Then I'm taking the department number as an ordinary attribute, and after that I'll put a comma. Then I will write foreign key, then the department number. ये foreign key कौन सा है वो हमने यहाँ पे mention किया. Then we have written the references. Then किसको reference करा है, the parent table और foreign key का attribute. Then after that we will write on delete cascade and simply we will enter. Now here you can see here your child table has been successfully created. We can describe your child table with the description command. Okay, now you can see here in the department number, in front of department number in the key section you will find this MUL. That means this particular key is applicable to multiple tables. Okay, so this way your foreign key has been successfully implemented. Now let's check. So यहाँ पे भी मुझे ये valid करना है, test करना है ना. So for that I need to enter the data into the table. Okay, so first thing I need to insert data into the parent table, because unless and until department exist नहीं करेगा ना तो employee भी exist नहीं करेगा, right? So we will insert the data into the parent table first. So insert into the department, then values. अब यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे कौन कौन से attributes आपको enter करने हैं, department number, name and location. So accordingly we will enter the department number. So as I have taken the different departments like 11, then the department number I'll take civil, and the location will be a ground floor. So I'll write ground. Okay, yes, your data has been successfully inserted. We'll insert some more departments into this. So I'll make it 22. The department name will be computer, and then we'll take as a first floor. You can assign anything. Okay, one more I will add over here. Even you can refer the table which I have given or shown in the PPT at the beginning of this video. So 33, and then I'll add the department which is electrical, and which is existing on the second floor. So this way your child table has been successfully created and the values also inserted. We can verify these things with the select command. So select star from the department. Yes, you can see here your department table is ready, means your parent table is ready. Now I will enter the data to the child table. अब यहाँ child table के जो attributes है ना, ये आप यहाँ पे देख लो, 4 attributes are there, 4 fields are there: employee ID, employee name, salary and department number. So accordingly I will write the command to insert the data into the table. Insert into TMP values, and then I'll put the employee ID 101, employee name, any names you can take, so Ramesh. Then we can assign any salary 14,000, and then the department ID. तो लेट अस से कि ये 101 रमेश है ना, ये सिविल डिपार्टमेंट्स को बिलोंग करता है, तो आई विल गिव द डिपार्टमेंट आईडी एज 11. So one row inserted. We will insert some more data into this. So again I'll make some changes. Simply by pressing the upward key we can get the previous query. Then Here I'll write the name of this employee. We can make some changes in this field, and now I will assign Shruti to the department computer. Okay, so this is what, even more number of rows you can insert for the testing purpose or for the practice. Now I'll display again the table, that is child table. So select star from EMP. Now you can see here your both tables are ready. This is your parent table by the name of department and the child table which is by the name of employee. So the आपका फॉरेन की यहाँ पे काम कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है वो अभी हम यहाँ टेस्ट करने वाले हैं. ऑलरेडी वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस टेबल्स एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेड द फॉरेन की कंसेप्ट एंड ऑन डिलीट कैस्केड. तो अगर ये चीज़ हम यहाँ पे इम्प्लीमेंट करते ना तो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए, इफ़ आई डिलीट द सिविल डिपार्टमेंट फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट टेबल और पेरेंट टेबल, देन ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए, द पर्सन हु इज़ फ्रॉम द सिविल डिपार्टमेंट जिसका डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 11 है तो वो यहाँ से ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीट होना चाहिए. तो उस चीज़ को हम यहाँ पे वेरीफाई करने वाले हैं. सो गाइज आई एम गोइंग टू डिलीट द पर्सन और आई एम गोइंग टू डिलीट द डिपार्टमेंट number 11 from the department table. So I'll write the query that delete from department where department number equals to 11. तो इससे क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो आपका डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 11 है वो यहाँ से डिलीट हो जाएगा. वी कैन वेरीफाई दिस. सो सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम डिपार्टमेंट. तो देखिए यहाँ पे पहले 3 एंट्रीज थे, सिविल, कंप्यूटर और इलेक्ट्रिकल, लेकिन इसमें से अभी सिविल यहाँ से ड्रॉप हो गया या डिलीट हो गया. नाउ वी विल सी कि जो भी पर्सन सिविल डिपार्टमेंट से बिलोंग करता है ना यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय टेबल में, दैट इज़ 101 रमेश, तो ये यहाँ से अभी डिलीट होना चाहिए ऑटोमेटिकली. तो मुझे सिर्फ क्या करना है, आई नीड टू एग्जीक्यूट दिस क्वेरी सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम EMP. सो इफ आई एग्जीक्यूट दिस क्वेरी then let us see what happens. So select star from EMP and now you can see here initially 2 records were there यहाँ पे, but जिसका डिपार्टमेंट नंबर 11 है वो यहाँ से ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीट हो गया है. राइट. So this way your foreign key and along with that your on delete cascade will work. Right. Thank you.